Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ayachuku and this is Aya's Travelogue. Guys, sorry about my voice. I have a bad voice. That's why I'm sounding like this. I want to say a big welcome to our new subscribers. You're welcome to the family. Our goal was to get to 160 subscribers this month, but we're about to exceed that. So guys, after I went to the home waterfall, I decided to visit the Ngwo pine forest, cave and waterfall. These pine trees were planted about 50 years ago, if not more, to combat erosion that this place was suffering from. And right now this place is being used for recreational picnics, bonfire night and what have you. So you can come here for picnics if you're around, if you want to come and see this place. It is safe, and I think it's like the only pine forest in the country. I'm not sure, I'd have to find out. So guys, we're done with the pine forest where you can come for your picnics and stuff. And right now we're going down to the waterfall. I think it's about 20 minutes walk. You're coming. Don't wear slippers though. And so we're journeying down the path to the waterfall and the cave. I won't be saying so much on this video because of my voice. I'm straining my voice to do this and I want my voice to heal fast. So you guys enjoy the video and let me know what you think about this place in the comment section. Can you hear the water? Sure you can. And so my darlings, I just came out from the Ngwo cave and waterfall and I had a fun time. If you're coming, you have to eat first because empty stomach will not do the work I just did. But it was worth it. It was really. Please do if you like my video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. I'm going to hard work for you guys. And leave a comment. Till I see you again. Bye for now.